guys, welcome back, and I was just watching, hearing some things. I was just playing Mr. Planet, pretty lame, but I don't know. Just gonna friend people. Who cares? Probably after this, I'm gonna be doing a Draw My Life. It's gonna be horrible, but maybe. I don't know. So, bye. Hope you watched Draw My Life.